Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my June Allure Beauty Box. Y'all, this box is $29.99 a month. You can get it less expensive if you buy it by 6 months or a year. I'm not sure if you can do, I think you can do 3 months. I think you can, but you can get discounted price if you buy it that way. Or wait for a big sale, which often happens on Black Friday or around that time, and get it at an even better discount if you can buy it by the year. What I'm wearing is Tarte Maneater. This one is the Nightfall palette. And this is what she looks like. And on my lips, I'm really liking this Kosas. This I just got from the FABFITFUN Beauty Edit box. There, it says Kosas right there. And this is in the color Rose Water. And it feels really good, y'all. And Kosas is a clean company, clean. So let's see what's in Allure. If you watch Instagram at all, you'll see some spoilers. This is what it looks like when you open it up. There's our brochure. And then there's also a card in here. They're all often advertising things like the GQ box, excuse me, the 2026 limited edition fragrance box is what this one is. So, you know, Father's Day is coming up, you know. Miss Jackie Russell has been getting the monthly GQ box. I think it's monthly because she had it last month. Yeah, I used to think it was quarterly, and maybe they changed it. Maybe it's monthly now, or maybe it is quarterly and she just, you know, it could be quarterly. But go check her out, excuse me, I know you all know Miss Jackie Russell. Go check out that video. I will put it in the description if you'd like to see it, because it would make a great Father's Day gift. Really great. They'll ship, you know, you can get it for your dad, your husband, whatever, your boyfriend, whatever, any significant other that would like that kind of stuff. So, and then on the other side of this card is the 2026 limited edition Reader's Choice Awards box. And it is a value of $270. If you're a member, you pay less. They don't have the pricing on here, but you can, I think anybody can buy it. But if you're a member of Allure Beauty Box, you get it for less money. And it has lots of good things in there. So the Reader's Choice Awards. All right, so the June box, and also on the back of the June brochure is that same advertising. So let's see what we got. It says summer ready. With long days on the horizon, thank you summer solstice, I'm feeling energized and ready to take on all this season has to offer. And then it goes on and on about it. Excuse me. This is Sarah Kinnanen. She is the beauty director. And she usually writes this, you know, so, and let's see what we got. Here, they've changed the box to include, I believe it's all the time now, every month now we get to pick one product. So Allure Beauty Box gives you 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples. You may get better than that, but that's the minimum of what they'll give you. And now we are choosing something every month. So at the beginning of June, we chose for July. So when I say choose, it's like one lipstick with 4 different colors, 1 blush with 4 different colors, that kind of thing. Or in this case, this is First Aid Beauty. This is what I chose. First Aid Beauty, you could have chosen the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, the Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, which a lot of people use that and say it works great. You know, if you have those little bumps here on your arm, it helps that chicken skin. Or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, which is what I got. So each item it ranges from $28 to $36. I got the least expensive one, $28 value. So this box was $29.99 and I got this for $28. So this virtually, basically paid for the whole thing. So First Aid Beauty was made for sensitive skin. They do say on some of their products actually say you can use it if you have eczema, that it will help eczema. It says here, sometimes it's the simple things that make the most impact. That's certainly the case with First Aid Beauty. They call it FAB, F-A-B, skin and body care products, which are fit and formulated for sensitive types. So that means anybody can use them. So we chose this. It says, depending on your product pick, you'll either slough off dead skin cells, wash them away, or hydrate your skin back to health. So the choice is quite literally yours. So this is 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces. So that's a full size. This is a nice bottle. I've had this before. The pump, I like that kind of a pump because it doesn't, you don't get out a ton. You get out a little bit, and then if you need a little bit more, you don't waste is what you end up with, that type of a pump. I like that. My sinuses are a mess. It's just the weather. Okay, let's see what's next in here. Next we have, I'm just going to pick what's out of here because I can't go in order because I can't find the next product. Okay, this is from David's toothpaste. I love David's toothpaste, but this is the Hydroxy Whitening Enamel Health Peppermint Toothpaste. This is $10.95 value for 4 ounces, which is, well, no, this is not a full size. This is 1.75 ounce. Okay, so that, hey, it still looks big to me. It says, why you'll love it. Who says oral care can't always be chic care? David's mint green tube is filled with SLS-free peppermint paste that makes the twice daily chore of brushing your teeth and look and feel a little more elevated. So this is, okay, this is a tin tube. Is that what it said on there? Anyway, you'll roll this up, as you go to help squeeze it out. It usually comes with a little twisty thing in there, but because maybe I guess it's not full size, it didn't. So I'm interested to try it because it's a whitening. I think all the toothpastes I've had from David's has just been, regular old toothpaste. So $10.95 value for this, and there's a good bit in there. So when you open this, you have to take this other end and poke it to get it started. So I have toothpaste and I have some whitening stuff going on right now. When you're my age, your teeth hardly ever get white, but so I won't open that right now. But I thought that was a full size. Okay, so next up we have I don't know how to speak French, y'all. L'Atelier Parfum. L'Atelier Parfum. Hair and body mist. Bloom in Paris, it says. So this is, let's open it and see what it looks like. If you've ever been to Paris, you're likely strolled through the lush Jardin de Luxembourg, the Luxembourg Garden. If you haven't, a spritz or two of this flowery fragrance with notes of rose, violet, and jasmine will instantly transport you to the iconic garden's sprawling flowers and fruit trees. Can't get it open. The retail price is $57 for 50 mLs, and we got 10 mLs. So it's a good size though. This is a nice purse size. Perfect for throwing in your purse. It's got a little bit of a pink cast to it, the glass, or maybe it's, yeah, probably the glass. But there's the name there. And it is a nice spritz. So let's spritz it. I like flowers. I love flowers. One of my favorite things. But I don't necessarily like to smell like flowers. So we'll see what this smells like. So get it primed. It smells pretty. Wherever you're headed, toss this tiny bottle into your bag to spritz on the go. It smells really good. It smells fresh and clean, summery. It smells really good. I don't know if I'd wear it because it is very floral, but I like it. I wouldn't mind spritzing this around the house. It does smell good. So that is very nice. And then we have Paul Mitchell. This is the Flexible Style Sculpting Foam. Let me find that in the brochure. because, sorry about my voice, y'all. Foam Froth Mousse. No matter what you call this airy styler, all you need is one pump to reap its texture, defining bodybuilding benefits, and that indulgent, where's the front of it? There we go. Indulgent creamy coconut scent. Oh, that smells good. I mean, sounds good. Shake, shimmy, and squirt the can upside down to dispense. Then, so you shake it real good, and then you'll dispense it this way. It's got one of those, you know, press that and it'll come out. And it's supposed to smell like coconut. Sounds good to me. So $31 for a full size, which is 16.9 ounces. This is 2 ounces. So that's what we have right here. It's hairstyling and amping up volume as desired. So I will probably try this. I'm always looking for volume things. I have some volume things that I like, but I'm always looking for more. You could have got this or the clear jelly mask, which is for dry hair, and that also it was a 2 ounce size. It's a little tub. It looks like gel. It looks like a jelly. I'm glad I got this. This is more my speed, so I'm happy to get that. And we have 2 more products in here. They should both be full size according to our rules from Allure. And this looks full size. This is from Aceology. I love Aceology. Their masks are really nice. This is the Here We Glow Berry Mask. You can see the A on there. This berry yogurt lookalike may not be edible, but it certainly offers an impressive antioxidant perks. Just like the juicy fruits, made with kaolin to deep clean in 5 different berries to fight free radical damage, wrinkles, and dark spots. This face mask gives tired skin a boost, leaving it with soft radiance. So you'll slather this on freshly cleansed skin, making sure to apply it evenly from the forehead to the chin. Then grab a spot on the couch, catch up on your favorite feel-good show, and welcome your new glow after 20 to 30 minutes. Now, it doesn't say to rinse it off, so is it staying on your face? No, it does say on the bottle, on the tube, to rinse thoroughly with water when you're done. Okay, so this is Aceology is good stuff, and this is 65 mLs, which is full size. This is a $65 value for our Aceology, $65. So that bought this box twice plus. And then last we have from Lunar Nectar. This is Futurized Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. Their packaging is so pretty. So pretty. I've had Lunar Nectar products before. This says, not every face can tolerate the power of retinol, but most can appreciate its more sensitive, skin-friendly alternative like bakuchiol. The plant-based ingredient is packed into the serum to help target fine lines and smooth texture, just like vitamin A derivative. So this is heavy. I can't really having trouble getting it out of the packaging. It's really tight in there. It's weird. Okay, it's glass. That's why it's heavy. It's beautiful. See how it is like a smoky glass. Very pretty. And there's a nice pump to it. It does have this lid that came out when I pulled it out of there. It's difficult to see. The lettering is in a light blue on that bottle. Difficult to see. But this is a $49 value for 30 mLs, which this should be full size. Yep, 30 mLs, 1 ounce. So it's liquidy in there and a nice pump, like I said. So very, very nice products, y'all. We've got our retinol alternative serum, the Luna Nectar. Gorgeous packaging. Love it, love it, love it. That's a full size. All right, we have the Aceology full size. And we have the First Aid Beauty full size. So this box is exactly as they say it will be. 3 full size, 3 deluxe samples. And I think last month we got more than that. So we got Paul Mitchell. This is a great size for traveling. So but it gives you plenty to try and see if you really like it, which I like that. We have the beautiful perfume. I had sprayed the box. It smells really pretty, y'all. Like I said, I don't think I would wear this, but I would spray it around my house. But I'll probably put it in a giveaway because I know you guys like perfume, and I usually always spritz it, but just one time, you know. And then I love the David's Hydroxy whitening toothpaste. So really good size deluxe samples, and our full size, $29.99. Get it at a discount if you can. And I do have a link below for them, but I don't think it doesn't, you know, save you any money or anything. I don't think. It's just, you know, it just sort of takes you there, and I've been told by people that they have signed up under me, but I've never gotten anything for it. It's no big deal. Find the best deal you can and do that. So thanks for stopping by to see the June Allure box. And, you know, I know we get the same products. There's several of us that get this box, and I still like to watch their channels because I like to know what they think of things. And, you know, if they love the perfume, if they're going to use these products, you know what I mean? I like to hear what people have to say about stuff. So go check everybody out, and y'all take care and count your blessings, and good to see you. I hope you have a wonderful Saturday.